y minus 9b. All right, so b is -6, y equals 6. So what are we doing? We're again just plugging and chugging. So we see that b equals -6. I'm going to replace that with -6. Y equals +6. I'm going to replace that with 6. So I'm going to rewrite the expression as 6 minus 9 in parentheses my -6 to indicate the multiplication. Okay, now what do we do first? We multiply first, but this minus isn't just a minus, it's actually tagging that 9 with a negative. Remember, I always say we want to rewrite a minus sign as a plus negative. So this is actually a -9 times a -6. So we do this first, but what's a negative times a negative? They cross out, become a positive. So -6 times -9 is +54. Then we'd carry out the addition. 6 plus 54 is 60. -4a plus b. All right, so a equals 5, b equals -5. So a equals 5, so we bring that over here. B equals -5, so we bring that over here. Okay, so we got -4 times 5, right? I'm just replacing it plus -5. Okay. So now let's do the multiplication first. Negative times a positive. Negative infects the positive, so it becomes, final answer becomes negative. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus -5, same team, so we add them together and we get 25. But since they're both negative, it becomes a -25. 4y minus c, same deal. C equals -7. Y equals 5. Take my -7 and plug it in here. Take my 5 and plug it in here. All right, so let's do it. 4 times 5 minus, I'm just going to put in parentheses, -7. Now, what do we got here that's interesting? We got a minus and negative. What did I tell you to do in that case? Turn it into a plus. So now we've got 4 times 5 first, which is 20, plus 7. Add them together and we get 27.